Abis Santa Marquis. Abis attacking the baseline. Abis attacking the baseline. The basket counted. Almerida attacking the baseline. Almerida attacking the baseline. 2 points. Gajano to Ibanez. Gajano to Ibanez.
Counted.
And
Nice
the
one.
basket counted. Abis to Gajano. Lays up. Yes, good for 2 points. Abis inside to Ibanez. 2 points. Score natin 8-1. 7-point lead by Sinumay. Bulaer kicks it outside to down. Fakes. Shot clock down to 10. Inside to Bulaer. Yes, good for 2 points. Remaining time 5 minutes and 55. Gajano. Won't go. Rebound. Nakuha pa rin ni Gajano. To Abis. 2 points by Abis. Tama mo. Shot clock down to 15. Julia ni Gajano. Pass to Volante. Volante to Gajano. Cross pass kay Abis. Full of gay. Short rebound. Nakuha ni Almerida. Almerida. Inside pass to Bulaer. Board shot. Yes, good for 2 points. 5 minutes. Score natin 10-5. 5-point lead. And a 3 seconds violation. To Bulaer. 2 points. Crossover move. Binigay kay Gajano. To Pitalber. Short rebound by jersey number 25. Bacho. To down. Steal yan kay Gajano. Gajano long pass dito kay Abis. Abis binaba dito kay Ibanez. Yes, good for 2 points. To Almerida. Almerida lays up. Yes, good for 2 points. Bulante inside pass. Natapikan. Taba mo lays up. 2 points. Ang Kalamangan. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Shot clock down to 15. Ibanez, PP hit. Pasok yan. Tao, Don Tamraki. Inside pass. Recovers by Bulaer. Wala. Rebound by Ibanez. Ibanez to Gajano. Natapikan ni Almerida. Almerida attacking the baseline. Wala. Shot clock down to 15. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock down to 5. 2 points. 1 point lead by Sinumay. Volante inside pass to Ibanez. Rejected by jersey number 25. Binigay dito kay Tambamo. Liza, pasok yan. Change favor tayo. Lamang ng isa. Ang Wapagos. Pitalber on Tamraki. Pitalber lays up. Rebound. Nakuha ni down. 20 seconds. Tambamo. Try sa lobang. Short rebound by Volante. Volante. Crossover move. Kicks it outside to Gajano. Gajano. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Almerida. Remaining time 2 minutes sa ating opening quarter. 1 minute and 50. Labrador to Volante. Pass to Abis. Fakes. Inside pass to Pitalber. Pass yan malakas. Rebound by Labrador. Wala. 1 minute and 35. Down. Lays up. 2 points. 14. 3-point lead by Wapagos. Volante. Shot clock down to 15. Labrador tries the long ball.
Yes!
Bullseye. 3 points by 19.
All 17.
1 minute and 2 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Boom! Bullseye! 3 points by Tabamo. Shot clock down to 15. Volante. Wala. Rebound. Down. 2 points. Habuen. Attacking the baseline. Wala. Rebound. 25 seconds. 20 seconds sa shot clock. 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. No more shot clock. 5 seconds. End of the opening quarter. Score natin 22-17. Pass to Labrador. Labrador. Ginawa dito kay Ganjano. Pull up gay. Board shot. Wala. Rebound by Ibanez. Yes, good for 2 points. By Ibanez. Pass to Tabamo. Sa tatluhan. Boom! Bullseye. 3 points. Lante. Babawi sa tatluhan. Boom! Bullseye. 3 points. By Volante. Down ang Tabraki. Haras by Volante. Down. Inside pass. Hulihan dito ni Habuen. Habuen to Volante. Volante. Inside. Wala rebound. Nakuha ni jersey number 4. Odones to Tabamo. Sa tatluan. 3 points. 28. Tabamo. Nabitawan ang bola. Pass to Daon. Susubok sa tatluhan. Short. Ibanez. Yes, good for 2 points by Ibanez. Almereda. Susubok sa tatluhan. Wala yan. Volante. Crossover pass dito. Kay Labrador. Inside. To Ibanez. Yes, good for itong Wapagos. Almereda attacking the baseline. 2 points. 26. Volante sa tatluhan. Short. Bumalik ang bola dito kay Volante. Running gay shot. Wala yan. Rebound by Habuen. Fix. Habuen. Ganjano to Ibanez.
Counted.
And
Nice one.
basket counted. Rebound by Ganjano. Hang time. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha na jersey number 17. Binigay dito kay Tabamo. Bola nakuha. Recovers by Bulaer. Hang time layup. Wala. By Odones. Odones on Tabraki. PP hit na bitawan. Binigay dito kay Daon. Cross pass. To jersey number 14. Pull up gay. At matatawagan dito ng foul. Jersey number 28. Pushing foul. Shot clock down to 10. Jersey number 30. To Tenajeros. Pull up gay. Wala. Rebound by Ibanez. Binigay kay Labrador.
Oh, take time lang, take time.
Volante to Ganjano. Back to Volante. Inside pass to Ibanez. Ibanez. Attacking baseline. Yes,
Nice one.
for 2 points.
All 30.
Ang
All
ating
30.
dalaan. Volante. Cross
Sinan.
pass kay Labrador. Back to Volante. Inside pass to Habuen. Habuen. Masyadong mataas ang pasa dito.
JJ. Oh.
Jersey number 4. To Daon. Back to Odones. Shot clock down to 10. Volante. Lays up. Rebound. Nakuha ni Tenajeros. Remaining time 3 minutes.
partner, dito po sa mabilis na may
Gadiano attacking the baseline. 2 points. 30. Odones. Almost losing the ball.
Araw-araw na kapot ang maximum.
Down. Shot clock down to 10. And a foul. Bola. Ibanez inside. Wala. Rebound.
Tulong ilalim.
Down. To jersey number 14. 2 points. Second quarter. Abis inside pass to Ibanez. 2 points. Down. 2 points. 1 minute and 30. Volante. Bullseye. 3 points. 37. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Steal yan ni Gadiano. Nakuha ni Ibanez. Binigay dito kay Volante. Cross pass to Gadiano. 3
Nice, good.
points by Gadiano. Eurostep by Gulay. Wala. Bola nakuha dito ni Gadiano. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. Labrador. Three points. Habis. 30 seconds. Score natin 35-43. Odones to down. Nabitawan. Nakuha ni Volante. 15 seconds. No more shot clock. Put back. Ibanez inside. Wala. Put back by Ibanez.
Nice one.
For 2 points. 5 seconds. Buzzer na lang. 3.
Yan, harap. Tira.
Volante. Tumira agad ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Abis. Wala pa rin. Bola nakuha ni jersey number 14. Gulay. Binigay dito. Kay Tinajeros to Tabamo. Tabamo fakes. Inside pass. To jersey number 25. Yes, good for 2 points. For play. Binigay kay Gadiano. Inside pass dito kay Ibanez. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha dito ni jersey number 14. At Volante. Signaling to play. Binigay dito kay Pitalber. Pitalber. Inside. Steal by jersey number 88. Binigay dito kay Francisco. Francisco. Lays up. Masyadong lakas. Put back by Gulay. Wala. Rebound. Tabamo. Yes, good for 2 points. Shot clock. Down to 10. Steal. Tap. 2 points. Volante. O, Tamaraki. Binigay dito kay Gadiano. Shot clock down to 15. Avis sa tatluan. Bullseye. Shot clock down to 15. Easy pass. Gulay at makakakuha yan ng foul. 18. Holding foul. First team foul. Tabamo. Kuha. Albert. Binigay dito kay Gadiano. Lays up. 2 points.
Ganda na basan.
Tinajeros on Tamaraki. Tinajeros looking for receiver. Almost losing the ball. Recovers by Tabamo. Attacking the baseline. Running a shot. Yes, 2 points. Tabamo. Lays up sa kabila para dito kay Gadiano. Tabamo. O, Tamaraki. Cross pass dito kay Bacho. 2 points. Against Volante. Easy dribbling. Volante. Titira sa tatluan. Agos. Tinajeros. To jersey number 88. To Tabamo. Tapik ang bola. Ibanez. Steal by Tabamo. Two points by jersey number 30. Bacho. Shot clock down to 10. 2 points. Gajano, bullseye. Pababa, Tamarquis. Pass to Bulaer. Steal by Gajano.
Sa'yo na yan.
Ibinigay dito kay Abis. Lays up. 2 points. Down. At meron pa jersey number 10, Pitalber. 2 points. 59-51. 2 points by Bulante. Almereda, 2 down. Paras by Abis.
Uli!
Steal. Abis lays up. 2
Nice
points. Almereda.
Okay, haras.
Lays up. And there's a foul.
Tumama sa tuhod sa tuhod.
Two minutes and 30. Volante ang Tamaraki. Volante, atake. Wala, rebound. Nakuha dito ni jersey number 25. Binigay dito kay Tabamo. Hang time layup. Abot niya ni Abis. Down. Tries long bomb. Bullseye. 3 points by Down.
Screen.
Volante. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez attacking the baseline using the glass. Yes, good for 2 points. Down. Sa tatluan, wala. Rebound. Two points by jersey number 25. One minute and 35. Pitalber.
Ay, nakashoot din! Woo!
Abis. Pass to Gajano. Fakes. Gajano. Inside to Ibanez. Short. Rebound. Nakuha ni Down. Down to Tabamo. In and out. Rebound by Abis. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Gajano. To Ibanez. Binaba pa. Put back by Ibanez. Wala. Jersey number 25. Nakuha ng rebound. Jersey number 25, unang free throw. Wala. Kalawang free throw dito di Bulaer. Pasok ang isa. Remaining time 55 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Shot clock down to 10. 45 seconds. And a foul. Almereda first throw. Yes, good for 1. Last throw by Almereda. Yes, good for 1 pa rin. Pasok ng dalawang free throw dito ni Almereda. 25 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot.
Jib, last shot, Jib! Aray. Good.
10 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. No more shot clock. 4. 7. Almereda. Seconds to shoot. Down. 2 points. Abis. Laki pa receiver binigay dito kay Gajano. Sa tatluan. Wala.
Habwin.
Down. 2 points. I-score natin 70-66. Baba sa apat ang Kalamangan. Dito na si Numay. Habwen on Tamaraki. Shot clock down to 14. 2 points. And out of the pass to Francisco. Back to Almireda. Almireda, takan na baseline. At matatawagan ng foul. Almireda last throw. Yes, good for 1. Ang Tamaraki, easy dribble the ball. Volante, atake, masyado malakas. Rebound, nakuha yan ni Daod. Daod, pass to Gulay. Ginatawan, rebound by Daod. Pasok yan. Score natin 72-69. Steal by Almereda. Ibigay dito kay Francisco. Timeout rep. Paras by Avis. Steal. And the kick ball.
Alba ba na?
Abis ang Tamaraki. Abis, atake na baseline. And the basket counted. Yes, pasok ang bonus throw di 71. And the foul. Ganda na personal foul first. Kalawang free throw dito ni Almereda. Pasok ang isa.
Luwag, luwag!
Signaling to play. Shot clock down to 15. Gadjano, atake. At may Gadjano.
Luwag, luwag!
Volante on Tamaraki. Shot clock down to 10. Volante, atake. Wala, rebound. Nakuha dito ni Francisco. Nabitawan, nakuha ni Gadjano. 2 points.
Yes, lapit sa bola. Oh, isi lang dyan,
6
isi lang.
minutes. Ibanez, atake na baseline. Wala, rebound by Abis. Abis, pull up play. Jumper, wala. Rebound, nakuha ni Daud. Daud ang Tamaraki. Binigay dito kay Gulay. Leysa, pasok yan. Shot clock down to 5. Pasok yan. I-score natin 80-76.
Buka,
Shot
Daniel.
clock down to 15. Abi, shot clock down to 10. Atakin baseline. Wala, rebound. Nakuha ni Daud. 4 minutes and 45. Francisco. At seconds para sa ating final. Paras by Almereda, jersey number 7. Shot clock down to 15. Volante, inside pass to Ibanez, short. Rebound. Shot clock down to 10. Rebound. Almereda on Tamaraki. To down, pass to Bacho, pull up gay, in and out, rebound, bumalik kay Almereda, inside pass to Giray, wala, rebound, and a foul. Una free throw dito ni Bacho, pasok ang isa.
Bilbil.
Substitution rep. Three minutes and 50. Volante. At merong foul. Volante.
Oh, buka lang, buka. Buka lang,
Shot
buka.
clock down to 10. Volante, atake na baseline. Pasok
Nice
yan. Down. Natapagyan ang bola. Nakuha dito ni Abuen. Ngunit hindi na kayo.
Huli yan, Bea, huli.
Almereda. Steal.
Bes, dalawa kayo.
Bigay dito kay Gadjano. Gadjano. Hey,
Nice
the
one,
basket
nice one, nice one.
counted.
Parang wala kang tiwala kay Giro, Bes.
Tao daw Tamaraki, binigay dito kay Tabamo. For the long 3, wala yan, rebound. Nakuha ni Almereda. Almereda binalik kay Tabamo, shot clock down to 10. Inside pass to Daud. Wala, rebound, Daud pa rin. Yes, 2 points. By Daud. I-score natin 85-85 ang kalabangan ng Sinumay. 2 minutes and 50.
Gamit oras.
Shot clock down to 10 seconds to shoot. Gadiano. Brown. It's a pass. Tabamo 2 points. May Volante. Shot clock down to 15. Titira na Andres. Almerida. To Giray. Rebound. And a foul. Para sa ating last quarter. Pasok din ang isa. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. Last 2 minutes. Lays up pala. Ibanez. And a foul.
Take time.
Pasok ang isang free throw dito. By Ibanez. Pasok yan.
Sa labas, be, sa labas.
Abis.
Gamit oras, gamit oras.
1 minute and 45.
Kaya.
Ibanez. Atake. Pasok
Nice one!
yan.
Ilalim
1
mo, Noy.
minute and 25.
Basta pa tayo isa.
20 seconds to shoot. Brown. Wide open and 3 points. Wala. Rebound. Almerida. Bacho wala. Rebound by Almerida.
Huli.
Tabalo. Rebound by Abis. Abis to Volante.
Labas, sa labas. Sa labas, sa labas. Ilalim. Ilalim.
55 seconds.
Ayan o.
Volante.
Ayan o, kanina
2
pa o.
points. 50 seconds.
Oh.
Almerida. 40 seconds. Tabamo. Wala. Rebound by Almerida. To Almerida. Wala pa rin. Tabamo.
Depensa, depensa.
25 seconds.
Atin na, atin na yan.
Giray. Ending time.
22.7 seconds.
In and out.
18.1, no more shot clock. Tamang kami ng anin.
Almerida. Wala. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Okay na, okay na.
Last call po para sa ating last